A very good morning to all of you guys. So, this is 21 April 2026 and it's Tuesday. As you know, Tuesday I like Tuesday most because it's the day of Lord Hanuman and I am the deity of Lord Hanuman. So, normally I like this day in comparison with others day. And what should I talk about for today? Just a spontaneous talk. I always think that what should I talk because don't prepare for my this random talk. That's why this is called random. When you don't prepare, when you have to speak spontaneously, this is uh, this is called a spontaneous talk, extempore talk, off-handed talk, and random talk. And we say this in many ways: random, extempore, spontaneous, off-handed, and normally uh, we get the situation when we have to speak spontaneously. That's why I just focus on this mm, random talk because I have faced so many times when I have to speak and I got stuck what to say, how to say, and um, that was definitely uh, embarrassing for me. That was uh, so yesterday I was uh, I was so engrossed in my work and in my studies. I I despite waking up early yesterday morning, I had to rush to the workplace because I had important work there. And since uh, we are we are going in morning time, court session has been turned in morning session, and it will be end of June, last June, end of by the end of June. So, and I also yesterday mm, talked with ChatGPT where I found valuable solution. Uh, in a day, I was thinking about what is my label, or shall I join any online course to improve faster in my English. And after talking to ChatGPT, he graded my label, and according to ChatGPT, my level is I'm stuck on B1 level, middle of mm, B1 to B2 level. And knowing this, I feel really happy. And he also suggest me how can I become a B2 level speaker, because I see when I speak something, my thoughts are scattered. I I find myself sometimes, many times, repeating the same words, same sentences again and again. So he suggests me, you are doing here, you don't need to, when you speak something, just finished, come on another things. And he also show me how to in my answer what I spoke there. He just given the right way, the B2 level, uh, B2 level speakers how they say that, and reading that, knowing that, uh, I feel really uh, happy, and I want to achieve that level. And he give me the plan, uh, how should I practice on it, and uh, whi- while doing that, it automatically develop my take me to one level to B2 level. And so there are they in English speaking, um, many institution and Google uh, parted your level, A level to C level, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, and I think after B2, C1, C2 level. C1, C2 level, I think the effortless speaker like SRK and celebrities, they are speaking English. They are usually C2 or C1 level. So I am here for stuck on B1 level, solid B1 level. And definitely, if I given 3 months and I reach this level, then if I give more 3 months for it, I I will find myself, uh, at least I would be B2 level, solid B2 level, and approaching C1 level, and that will be my um, and there I will be satisfied with um, mm, my journey, my achievements, because this is language, and there are endless things which we have to know, words, way of style of talking, style of narrating things. So after giving um, so many days, so many years, then we will find ourselves to be fluent, eloquent, like any celebrity, any my favorite star speak this language. And so here, this is what I wanted to share, because as you know, when I came here, I was um, wondering what should I talk about, and suddenly this idea came to my mind, talking about my experience of ChatGPT. It's a genuinely helpful application which you have, which you have also, which you should also use this application if you want to learn language or anything, because uh, it's a free in India. And definitely there are certain period of time, I don't know, because I don't use regularly, so I uh, never got any time duration struggle. So but mm, people say it's free in India and you don't need to purchase extra chat GPT plus or something, purchased version. uh, so You can just simply download it, ChatGPT, and then you can use it. You can take suggestion, you can talk to the ChatGPT, and it's a great idea to use if you don't want to spend your money for learning things. So ChatGPT definitely helps, and it is itself capable of helping anyone. So I recommend here you can use ChatGPT. And what else I talk? So it's a morning time, and my schedule is to go to my workplace sport. So I have to wind up this video because it has been more than 10 minutes, and I think 10 to 15 minutes is enough for my practice morning and evening as well. So here I am taking your leave. This was random talk, this was a spontaneous talk, so I don't mind making mistakes here. I just mm, create this channel for dump my English garbage in this. I don't care whether people see, watch, and definitely sometimes I feel happy, uh, because everyone wants appreciation. What are you doing? So likewise, I'm also human, and for appreciation I also like. But this is my journey, this is my desire. So why I need to seek any validation or appreciation from other? So this is what I am doing for myself. I don't my intention is not to monetize my channel or earn something. If I learn something like doing this, that will be my earning, that will be my achievement, that will it's my monetization itself. So I not here for earning money or that kind of. And even though I am not want to popular in this way, I want to popular, but not this way. So thank you for watching up to now. I will see you in my next video, and till then take care, have fun, and it's Tuesday, so enjoy this day, do worship, do prayer Lord Hanuman, and thank you very much once again. Thank you, have a nice day.